Hello everyone, Ori here with another video, and in this episode we will install some applications and video card drivers into our brand new Ubuntu Linux. So here we go. So there are two of the most common ways how to install applications. The first way is by going to Software Center and searching for your application. Second one is by installing everything through Terminal. We will focus on Terminal because if you will go to different Linux distribution, it most likely will come without the Software Center. So if you want to use the Software Center, open it. Icon is right here. Search for the application. Let's see. Eclipse, double click on it and hit install. Now let's move to terminal. To open it, search it in the dash is right here. Type in terminal and open it. Also there is a hotkey, it's Ctrl Alt T, and it will open up terminal. Let's make a little bit fancier because we will use it quite often. To do so, click Edit in the top panel, Edit, Profile Preferences, and adjust some values. I usually adjust only colors. I disable use colors from System Theme, use Transparent Background, and adjust it a little bit. It looks good. Just exit from it and you're good to go. Now to install applications, type in sudo. You have to begin with this command almost every command which does something with the system. It is a command to request root access, which is similar to administrator access in Windows, but much more powerful. Then type in apt-get install, apt-get install. This is an actual command for installing applications, and then the names of applications. Package names are identical to program name in most cases. So let's say we want to install Blender to be let's say we want Blender to be installed. So just type in Blender. Blender. If you want Audacity to be installed, just type in Audacity and so on. Audacity. Here we go. So I want Blender, Audacity, GIMP, and Eclipse to be installed. Let's install them a bit later. But some applications have difficult package names. Let's say Java. Package name is OpenJDK 8-8-JDK. So if you type in a package and it says that it doesn't exist, then it is a good idea to Google for the exact package name. Open up Firefox and in Google type in Ubuntu OpenJDK. And just go right here. It will load up and you should find the exact package name. By the way, installing applications in Linux is much faster than on Windows. Let me prove you. Just type in sudo apt-get install Blender, Audacity, GIMP, Eclipse, OpenJDK-A-JDK, and hit enter. It asks you only one time the password. Oh, I didn't type it correctly. Funny, isn't it? And then you just type in Y. If you want to interrupt the installation to not install, press N and hit enter. So just press Y and hit enter. And it downloads the packages from closed location and interrupts the installation very rarely. This is one of many magic things you can do in terminal. So it took me a few minutes. One attempt actually was with NVIDIA driver since I miswrote a package, so I had to search for it. So now it's time to install video card drivers. I have a laptop with NVIDIA graphics card and Intel integrated card, so I will install NVIDIA drivers. To do so, you have to type sudo apt-get install NVIDIA 346. It's the latest driver available on official repositories for some reason. Why not NVIDIA 352? And NVIDIA Dash Prime. And just hit enter. And agree with everything, and it will install everything. For some reason I don't know. Why did they use this obsolete package? Not new NVIDIA driver. NVIDIA 350 drivers are now rolling out. But yeah, so as you can see, it just installs everything. You should reboot now. If you use AMD graphics card, you should read the instructions provided in the description below. Installation of their drivers is quite tricky, and I don't have any computers with AMD graphics card in home, so I cannot help a lot. For Intel drivers, they should be installed by default. So now, as you can see, we have NVIDIA graphics card drivers installed, and also we have many applications installed. To open them, just search for them in the dash. Let's see GIMP. Here we go. We have it. In the next episode, I will focus on customizing the system quite a bit and maybe some other stuff. And if you like this video, perhaps you will like some others. Leave a like on this video and see you later in my next video.